In today's highly competitive supply chain logistic industry, cost control and talent retention remain as top challenges. Logistics service providers are forced to transform and capture digital opportunities to stay relevant. From order processing, to warehousing, to transportation, logistics companies have to ensure timely and accurate response, coordinate picking and packing, and optimize scheduling for delivery fulfillment. However, manual order processing, silo picking and delivery assignment, and poor visibility of delivery fulfillment are challenges that limits logistics companies from effective supply chain logistics distribution. With Ent-Vision Smart Logistics Solutions, it addresses the challenges with an integrated logistics data platform, enabling smarter efficiency with interoperable, interconnected, interdependent, and interchangeable solution models. Our core technologies lies in artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, and geolocation that provide end-to-end solutions with intelligent order data detection, intelligent warehouse control system, intelligent transport management system, optimizing logistic resources through process automation and resources utilization. Intelligent order data detection and automation. Ent-Vision Intelligent Process Automation combines robotic process automation with AI that is capable of handling high volume of instructed order data received from multiple sources. Natural language processing and rule-based algorithm are applied to recognize pattern and characteristic of extracted attributes. Intelligent multi-level ranking criteria are used to make sound recommendation. With incoming orders, Ent-Vision Intelligent Process Automation is able to intelligently and automatically locate and extract incoming order through email in various format, and automatically generate picking and packing order and delivery orders to the warehouse control system and transport management system. Intelligent Warehouse Control System. Combined with data from order fulfillment, Ent-Vision Intelligent Warehouse Control System optimize utilization of warehouse resources and speed up the process flow of picking and packing. It features a warehouse layout digitalization that digitizes the floor map of a warehouse to effectively locate the storage location of every respective products. And with AI algorithm, Ent-Vision Intelligent Warehouse Control System minimizes the number of round trips by material handling equipment and allow picking process to be optimally batches, with maximum efficiency of the packing and packing process. Intelligent Transport Management System. Ent-Vision Transport Management System uses machine learning and decision optimization algorithms to plan and schedule transport jobs that reduce resource utilization to meet requested time window that is subjected to multiple constraints, such as vehicle capacity, cargo types such as food or dangerous cargo, and temperature requirement. The job planning can be viewed in Ent-Vision Logistics Central Portal that enables logistics providers to create, track, and store transport-related details at every step of the order-to-transport process. Users are also able to view the monthly calendar schedule, daily plan, and time window of the delivery. To enhance visibility of transportation, Logistics Central is accompanied with a smart carrier app that allows drivers to update the delivery status in real time and prompt action to be taken for undelivered orders. With Ent-Vision Smart Logistics Solution, logistics companies can fulfill the 8 rights of logistics. Getting the right product, for the right price, with the right quantity, to the right customer, to right place, at right time, in the right condition and the right cost. Partner with Ent-Vision to discover more opportunities from data insights and optimize resources using AI, data intelligence and geospatial technologies. Ready to transform your operational process? Contact Ent-Vision.